How to fix Flash not working on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to fix Flash not working on Snapchat. Without further ado, let's begin. First, test if your device Flash works outside of Snapchat or not. For that, you need to access Quick Setting panel and look if the flashlight is working or not. Second step is simply you need to press and hold on the Snapchat icon, tap App Info or the eye icon. Now tap on Force Stop to close the application. Confirm Force Stop. Then tap on the storage uses and then clear the cache and manage the space. With that, you need to open Google Play Store, then search for a Snapchat application. If there is any update available, tap Update button and update to the latest version. By following all this step, your Flash not working on Snapchat should start working. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.